What if the key to a happier, calmer life wasn't adding more, but letting go? In today's video, I'll share the 15 surprising things I let go of to fully embrace minimalism and prioritize self-care. These aren't just physical items, they're habits, mindsets, and routines that no longer served me. Stick around, because letting go of number 12 completely changed my perspective on life. Why letting go matters. We often think of minimalism as just getting rid of stuff. But it's so much more than that. It's about creating space, physically, mentally, and emotionally, for the things that truly matter. For me, embracing minimalism wasn't just about decluttering my home, it was about reclaiming my peace of mind and focusing on self-care. Today, I'll walk you through 15 things I let go of, and hopefully, inspire you to let go of what's holding you back too. 1. Letting go of overstuffed closets. My closet was packed with clothes I didn't wear, just in case outfits, trendy pieces, and things I thought I'd need someday. I realized these items were taking up space, both physically and mentally. What I did, donated everything I hadn't worn in a year, kept only versatile, comfortable, and favorite pieces. Result, mornings became simpler, and I actually enjoyed getting dressed. 2. Letting go of duplicates. I had multiples of everything. Coffee mugs, towels, kitchen tools. But why did I need 5 spatulas when one worked just fine? What I did, kept only the best quality or most used items. Donated or recycled the rest. Result, my drawers and cabinets are now organized and easy to navigate. 3. Letting go of toxic relationships. Minimalism isn't just about things. I realized some relationships were draining my energy without adding value to my life. What I did, set boundaries with people who were constantly negative or unsupportive. Focused on meaningful, uplifting connections. Result, I have more time and energy for relationships that truly matter. 4. Letting go of digital clutter. My phone and laptop were overloaded with apps, files, and notifications. It felt overwhelming every time I opened them. What I did, deleted unused apps, organized files, and set daily screen time limits. Unsubscribed from email lists and turned off unnecessary notifications. Result, digital detoxing gave me more focus and less stress. 5. Letting go of unrealistic expectations. I used to think I had to do it all, have the perfect home, be the perfect friend, and achieve every goal immediately. Letting go of this mindset was liberating. What I did, prioritized self-care over perfection, learned to celebrate small wins. Result, I feel happier and less pressured. 6. Letting go of sentimental clutter. I had boxes of items I kept purely for emotional reasons, old letters, gifts I didn't like, and things I felt guilty about throwing away. What I did, kept only the most meaningful items and donated the rest. Took photos of items before letting them go to preserve the memories. Result, my home feels lighter, and I no longer feel burdened by the past. 7. Letting go of impulse buying. Whenever I felt stressed or bored, I'd shop for things I didn't need. These purchases would make me happy for a moment but cluttered my space. What I did, practiced mindful shopping by asking, do I really need this? Created a 30-day wish list to avoid impulsive purchases. Result, I saved money and only brought home things I truly valued. 8. Letting go of overpacked schedules. I used to fill my calendar with back-to-back commitments, leaving no time for myself. What I did, prioritized self-care by scheduling downtime, learned to say no to things that didn't align with my goals. Result, I now have time to relax, recharge, and focus on what matters. 9. Letting go of comparisons. Social media made me feel like I wasn't doing enough or didn't have enough. But constantly comparing myself to others only drained my confidence. What I did, unfollowed accounts that made me feel inadequate. Focused on gratitude and self-acceptance. Result, I feel more content and confident in my own journey. 10. Letting go of unused hobbies. I had supplies for hobbies I never pursued, paint sets, knitting needles, and even workout gear collecting dust. What I did, donated unused items and focused on hobbies I genuinely enjoyed. Result, my free time feels more fulfilling and less overwhelming. 11. Letting go of expired beauty products. My bathroom cabinets were full of half-use, expired products I never touched. What I did, threw away expired items and committed to using what I had before buying more. Result, my bathroom is now clutter-free, and I save money on beauty products. 12. Letting go of the need to multitask. I thought multitasking made me more productive, but in reality, it left me feeling scattered and unfulfilled. What I did, practice single tasking by focusing on one thing at a time, used a timer to stay present with each task. Result, I feel more accomplished and less stressed. 13. Letting go of fancy kitchen gadgets. I had so many single-purpose gadgets that cluttered my kitchen counters but rarely got used. What I did, kept only multi-purpose tools like a good knife and a sturdy skillet. Donated or sold the rest. Result, cooking feels simpler and more enjoyable. 14. Letting go of the fear of missing out, FOMO. I used to say yes to every event or trend, afraid I'd miss out. But chasing everything left me exhausted. What I did, focused on what genuinely brought me joy, learned to appreciate the value of saying no. Result, I feel more grounded and intentional with my time. 15. Letting go of overthinking. Overthinking every decision made me feel stuck. Letting go of this habit wasn't easy, but it changed everything. What I did, adopted a good enough mindset for everyday choices. Practice mindfulness to focus on the present. Result, I make decisions faster and feel more confident. Conclusion, the power of letting go. Letting go isn't just about decluttering your space, it's about decluttering your life. By removing the things, habits, and mindsets that no longer serve us, we create room for peace, joy, and self-care. Which of these 15 things resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on minimalism, frugal living, and self-care. Let's simplify and thrive together.